Okay, so this exercise is called the clamshell exercise, and what it's going to do is going to strengthen what's called your abductor muscles, abductor muscles, and those are the muscles that basically rotate your hip out like that. They're also going to strengthen your abs on the side, and it's going to help you train being able to move your hip joint without having to move your pelvis. And the reason why this is important, it's going to support the adjustments as we're starting to get pressure off of the nerves. Those control the muscles, and those muscles are going to help stabilize the structure as well. So what you're going to do, there's two variations to this. You're going to want to do this anywhere to 3 to 5 days out of the week. Probably start off with 3, at least once a day, roughly 2 or 3 sets, and you're going to do 8 to 12 repetitions. And so this is what it's going to look like. You're going to want a pillow to put in between your legs, just a small pillow, and then a rolled up towel that'll go underneath your waist. So you're going to be laying on your side like this. I don't have the pillow with me, so you're going to have to imagine that it's there. The towel is going to go right under the waist. You're going to have your head, your hand just cradling your head, and then the pillow would go in between your legs. So starting position, there's 2 variations. One, you want to have your hips almost bent at 45 degrees, and then your legs, your knee bent at 45 degrees. You're going to turn, rotate your hip up to where your kneecap's slightly pointing towards the ceiling. What you're going to do is have your hand almost like if it's on your hip, but you're also going to feel your glutes right on the back of your hip. You should feel that your pelvis is not moving a lot. You're going to want to roll your hips forward slightly, and then you're going to lift your leg up just like that and down. And it should be a controlled movement, anywhere from 3 to 5 seconds due to the whole repetition. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the next variation that you can do one or the other, is you're just going to make sure you extend your legs a little bit more. So less of an angle at the hip, less of an angle at the knee. Again, your knees pointing towards the ceiling, and you're going to lift up just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you don't want to go too high, because you want this to be a controlled movement, and your head should be relaxed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure those hips are rolling forward as well. Okay, not like this, but keep them perpendicular to the floor, but just roll them forward like that.